data centers become a lot more prevalent over the last 5 to 10 years. And I guess 10 years ago most people wouldn't have known what a data center was. Maybe 90% wouldn't, maybe 90% do now. And that's driven by business IT changing, which is driven by the economy changing and the way we all use technology changing. 10 years ago most of us in business and certainly at home didn't use technology much. Now we can't survive for 5 minutes without it. So, and the data centers are the engine rooms of IT and the internet and technologies.
So does the way that you design a data center, design a good data center, change if you have people primarily accessing their business information from their mobile devices and from outside the building and outside the conventional business perimeter?
Absolutely, yeah. I think again, go back 10 years, most businesses had all of their IT was, all of their users were in their office. Fast forward 10 years, your users are all over the world. They're accessing things 24/7, not only from PCs and laptops, but from mobile devices. The use of IT has changed dramatically, and that's impacted on the use of data centers. So they need to be much more connected, much more efficient, and in the right places.
So how does that change the customer requirements from your point of view? What are they looking for now that maybe they weren't looking for 10 years ago?
I think location is a big one. So, for example, we build our data centers in and around London, primarily because you can reach, 90% of the UK's population are within 200-300 kilometres of London, which in network terms is about, 10 milliseconds. Any application can be hosted from London. Location is a key factor.
And in terms of the requirements, the technical requirements around, say, uptime and power efficiency, what are the key points that people are looking to improve on?
More and more bandwidth in big cities, more and more access to those kind of services. Agility, I think keeping yourself agile and nimble in your IT and your data center, and almost disposable computing. People tend to use applications and throw them away and move on to the next one pretty quickly now. So those kind of mega trends massively filter down to what we're doing at the data center level.